If you're anything like Lori and I, you get tired of this mess that you create with your extension cords. So today we're going to share with you another simple and easy hack that will make your life so much better when it comes to this mess. Hi and welcome back. My name is Aron with Three Tails RV. If this is your first time here, you should consider subscribing because we are dedicated to helping you with your RV. We provide you with RV accessory reviews, DIY projects, tips, tricks, and other creative stuff. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that you don't miss out on anything. And with that out of the way, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to untangle this mess. So now that we have untangled our mess, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the two ends and we're going to put them together. Now we're going to go to the opposite end. All right, so now that we've got this end looped, what we're going to do is we're just going to do a quick little knot with it. Just like that. We're going to flip it over and we're just going to pull it through. Reach through and pull it through. Reach through and pull it through. Reach through and pull it through. Continue to do that all the way down. And then once you get to the end, all you're going to do is loop it back around. And there you have it. So the next time you're ready to use your extension cord, all you have to do is pull out as much as you need. Plug into your outlet. Plug into your device that you're going to use, and it's simply just as easy to put it all back together. No more wound up crazy cord. Lori and I would like to thank you for watching. If you liked this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you didn't, well then put down in the description why you didn't like the video. Otherwise, go ahead and share this video with all your friends and family on social media. Until next time, remember, live simple, live free, and enjoy the ride. And we will see you next time.